We think that probably over the course of the year, we will be able to save about $20,000 because of the time savings that we've realized with implementing Sage Intacct. My name is Dara Purcell. I'm a CPA and I work for Stonestreet Thoroughbred Holdings in Lexington, Kentucky. Before Intacct, we were using Great Plains. We had actually hired Dean Dorton, who is our Intacct partner, to build us sort of a cloud-based solution with Amazon Web Services, and we installed Great Plains on AWS. And it worked, sort of, but it was clunky and it was slow. We have 4 entities, and we really operate our business from a total top-level perspective. We could not look at anything on the top level in Great Plains. You had to log into one company, print out whatever report you wanted to look at, log into the other company, print it out. We made a bunch of Excel spreadsheets. Our month-end close packet, and it was in Excel, it was 28 tabs long. That's been a huge benefit for us to go to Sage Intacct. When we had Great Plains, it took us about 10 days to fully close our books, make our financial packet, get that packet out to our CEO for review. Now that we have Sage Intacct, I think we are down to a 3 to 4 business day close. It's going to streamline all of our accounting operations. It's going to hopefully let people scale back the amount of work that they need to do, either working from home and just being able to, take your kids out for the afternoon, or, travel and not worry. I sat on the beach and, approved payables and issued checks. It's made a huge difference in the amount of things that I can get done in a day. We are very, very, very fortunate that our CEO is also a CPA. So she has always understood the value of accounting and good financial information, and how that works in your favor for decision making. I've built her, I think, 7 custom dashboards. If there's anything that she could possibly want, is there in those dashboards for her. She was like, this is fantastic. She's like, now I know why you've been geeking out about this offer for the last 3 months. The real-time information is huge. It's the best thing since sliced bread.